Hi, this is Ike from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got another book to read for you. Today's book is Cars and Trucks from 1959. So let's get started. Tweet goes the policeman whistle. Up, up goes his hand. The cattle truck and the pickup truck stops. Here comes the school bus. The children crowd in. Brr, the children ride off to school. The mother drives to the store to buy food for supper. The grocery man and his helper carry out package. The gasoline truck bring gas to the service station. Fill her up, said the laundryman in his truck. The telephone line is broken. Out comes the repair truck. Repairman climbed the pole. Soon the line would be fixed. Here come a tow truck towing a taxi. See the flat tire? Beep beep, a police car and a jeep whiz by. The coal truck dumps the coal down the chute. Cling cling, the fire chief car speeds along. His family is taking a quiet vacation. Their car trailer is like a cozy little house. Here comes the milk truck to pick up milk. A man sells ice cream and a delivery motorcycle hurries by. Look at the great big steamliner, double-decker bus. The big bus will travel all day and all night. What a busy street. See all the cars and trucks on their way. Now all the family is going for a picnic. Goodbye. So that was Cars and Trucks for 1959. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a groovy day. We'll have another video coming out real soon.